Hi guys! So, yung teachers sa school it's nag-invite para mag-coffee. So, we're going to coffee shop. Tititayin yung mga teachers. And after daw magpunta ng coffee shop, pupunta daw sa mga temple. So, let's go. Samahan nyo ako. Ayan, naglalakad lang ako. Yes, naglalakad lang ako. Medyo malapit lang, mga 30 minutes walk. Medyo malapit lang. Kasi nagaan ko na. Kasi 11:30 yung ano namin, time para magkita-kita. Kaya naglakad na ako ng mas maaga. Sobrang init dito kaya nakapayong ako. But it's good naman. Yeah, okay. So, see you there. Let's go. Ay, nandito na ako. Sobrang init. Nandito na ako. Sa coffee shop, 1T coffee. Sobrang init. Kaya hindi na makasama ko yung mga teachers. And yeah, so samahan nyo kaming gumala. Samahan nyo kami mag-coffee. Okay? So, welcome to Thailand! Gulat sila dito sa damit ko. Kasi nakasongkran na ako. Nakasongkran outfit na ako. Yung kilikili ko, nabasa. Ay na, di ba nag-coffee kami, so dito ngayon takuan sa CR. Edi, kumakain kami. So kasama ko yung mga Thai teacher and mga other foreign teacher na kasama ko dito. Hope mag-peace, ay na, ayusin ko lang yung shirt ko. Wait lang, ikwento ko. Tapos, edi, ayun nga, ito nagkikantuhan kami. Ano? Wala, kinikwento ko lang yun. Nag-aaya na naman na magpunta bukas. Hindi ko alam, 2:30 PM bukas sa, ewan ko kung river yon or beach. Dito lang daw. River. Tapos, may activity. Mabait yung teacher na yun. Ayun, i-invite na naman kami. So, para magpunta ng river. Tapos may activity kasi siyang pinanood sa akin na video. Hindi ko kasi masyadong naiintindihan, pero we try naman para magkaintindihan tayong dalawa. And by the way, ang ganda dito guys. Ayan, ganda. So, ang bait ng mga teacher dito, yung mga Thai teacher, super bait. Kasi last day namin doon sa center, parang yung center kasi yung school na yun is ano siya, parang kindergarten school, ganun siya. Tapos doon nagturo kasi kami doon for 2 weeks. Ngayon syempre yung mga teachers, sobrang bait ng mga Thai teacher, talagang ina-accommodate kami, tapos inaasikaso talaga kami, super bait. Tapos ngayon dahil nga last day namin kahapon, Friday. So dapat pupunta kami mag-party sa barbecue party, yeah, like grill, ganun. Kaso umulan ng malakas. So ang ginawa nila, nag-order sila ng KFC para sa amin. At ngayon, syempre kami lang yung in-orderan, tapos hindi sila nag-order para sa sarili nila. Tatlo kaming foreign na nandoon sa school. So in-orderan kaming tatlo. Tapos tinanong kami kung kakainin ba namin dito sa school or i-take out talaga namin, iuwi na lang namin. Sabi namin, iuwi na lang kasi nga para tipid sa dinner. So umuwi na kami. Ngayon, nag-invite yung isang teacher na tomorrow, today na yon, Sabado, magkikita-kita kami dito sa coffee shop. Yun yung sabi ko. Kita-kita kami sa coffee shop, after namin kumain, after namin mag-coffee, we're gonna go to temple, pumunta kaming temple. Tapos yun, yan, mamaya, ito ko. Video. Yeah. The video. Ito yung mga teacher na mababait. Ayan, tinuturo nila. This is my outfit for today. Nagulat sila kasi nakasongkran outfit ako. Pinapasend yung mga picture sa line. Dito, leave it out guys. Okay. Sige. Thank you. Kami ng pagkain. Papakain kami ng hayop dito. Yeah. The food that we papakainin namin sa mga hayop.
แกงปลาแกงเขียวหวาน
Papakain ko na ano. Pero tanong okay pa yung mga pagkain mga boy.
Yung mga dito.
Yeah, it's a pig. Yeah, it's cute. A pig. Pig. Yeah. Nakasing tawag dyan. They gonna bite. What do you think? It's scary, right? Check out. Yeah.
Yeah.
Uy, uy, uy. Uy. Nakakatakot sila.
There's no problem. Sabul.
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 And so we're here na, magpapakain kami ng mga hayop. And yun yung mga hayop. So cute! Pakain. Kasi nga picture daw. Kailangan ka naman.
Sabi mo yan, sabi mo.
Oo, babay daw. Pero hindi sila ano, aggressive!
No.
No!
One, two, three. One, two, three. Okay. ขึ้นรถ go ให้ดักขึ้นไปก่อนให้เป็นรถ
จะให้หมู
ให้เป็นรถ
Tignan mo, sila malapit sila.
เลือกถ่ายรอบจริงด้วยเสียงมาโรบิทเดียวนะก็สนิทก็โรบิทเดียวใช่ไหมครับไปเลยครับ
Cute guys! Ang takot here! It's here! Yeah, it's here! Yeah, kami mga tubig. Yeah, kami mga tao. Balik, and there's a lot of cup here. And nakaka-pool. Guys, tignan nyo, as in ang babait ng mga ano, hindi sila aggressive. Mapakain talaga na news yan. Yes! Yeah, like this. See? And this is the cow. Yeah, this. Oh my God. And hindi sila aggressive yung mga animals dito. Ang lapit lang namin, ang lapit lang. Sila yung lumalapit. Nakakatakot sila nung una pero shit. Wait lang. Okay, tingnan nyo guys. Sila yung lumalapit. Alam nila. Ang babait nila dito, yung babait pati hayop. Teacher, next teacher. Teacher. Go, that's it, go. Next destination, let's go.
Okay.
Gusto malangaw. Susundan kayo niyan.
Go. Okay. Beautiful.
Yeah, yeah, meron sila oh. Ah, okay.
Okay. Teacher, very good.
Di po bumili kami ng watermelon ito. It's watermelon. Tapos ito yung pinapakain pero kinakain din namin. Kakain.
โอ้ยเขาว่าจะมาสักหน่อยเอาเป็นโปรแกรมเมื่อวานนี้เดี๋ยวอยากให้เขาลงแต่ว่าอันซีตรงนี้แล้วอะลงตรงนี้ไหมซับไปตรงนี้ได้ไหมเดี๋ยวบอกเขาโอเคชิเชอร์เดี๋ยวโอเคอ่ะไอ้ที่นี่หน่อยก็คืออะไร
Kita nyo. Long.
มาลูกมาโอเค very good
Okay.
very good
Shit, nasa inang lapit na.
โอเคทีนี้เราเป็นลำปีนี่ที่บ้านไป
Yeah, pwede ka dito.
โอเค
Oh, again.
พี่ถ่ายได้ไปครับ
Tingnan mo. Ano, hindi ka naiiyak. Wait. Alay?
พี่ถ่ายเอาที่ตั้งหมดอีกทีนะโอเคพี่ go
Yeah, it's good.
โอเคมาพี่ต่อยลงมาเร็ว
ที่นั่นไหมเป็นไรโอเคไหมต้องให้ไม่เกินแค่นี้
มาเร็ว
ให้อันนี้ออกไปกิน
Slow.
แล้วลงสักกินปุ๊บเฮ้ยนี่
Feeling giraffe kayo, no?
พี่มันอ้วนตัวแล้วมีตัวไหนพอไหม
มีคนทำอะไรอยู่วันนี้มันจะกินนมแม่มันเลย
Tingnan, masasakyan na namin sila.
กินนี่มันมีมารยาท
Pwede
หน่
mo
อย
makawa kami.
เฮ้ยโดนเลย ไม่ใช่อันนี้กินอะไรมันนะ
กล้ามะเขือไม่ทานหรอ
นี่ก็ค่ะแกเอาให้กินนะแต่นะ
Ano tinaman?
เขาชอบกินแต่ที่สุด
น้องก็เห็นไหมคะเด็กกล้วยกับเตงกล้วยนะน้องกินกล้วยกินคอกล้วยอ่ะถ้าเกิดเรามาเองต้นอะไรก็กินกล้วยเองเราต้องตัดต้นตัดเครือตัดมันกินแต่
จะมาเรียนนักดุนเนี่ย
จะมาที่อยู่จะต้องกินเอง
ไม่ได้ยังการเนี่ยตัวจะเป็นรักปีสักทีนะพอแล้วรอน
Okay! Yan, tapos na kami nagpunta. So, sobrang enjoy, sobrang saya. Ang ganda ng pinuntahan namin. It's natural environment. Nagpakain kami ng animals, nakita niyo naman sila. So ako pauwi na, binaba na kami. Ang babait ng mga teachers. And tomorrow, we're gonna go to, I don't know, kung saan kami pupunta tomorrow. Kasi nag-aya yung teacher ulit na isang Thai teacher na may pupuntahan daw kami tomorrow. And 2 PM ang call sign by tomorrow. 2:30 PM. Ayun, no? And invite nila kasi parang nag-rent pa sila ng songteo, ang tawag dito songteo. Nirent nila yung isang songteo para may sasakyan kami, para mag-feed kami ng animals. Ang mga animals dun is my cow, my reindeer, I think. That is, name, hindi ako sure. Pero yun, huwag niyo akong i-judge. So, and may mga pig, yung black pig, parang baboy ka mo yun sa Pilipinas. Ayun. So, it's a, parang, ang ganda siya. Parang pangalan Tiger Temple. Yan. Pero ang ganda siya. Ang ganda super. Tapos may mga other animals din. So, nakita niyo naman sa video. Watch this. Ayun lang. So, pauwi na ako. Maglalakad na ako pauwi. And, bye!